This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sahel Naimi. Beautiful and fully renovated ranch-style home with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths with open floor plan and fenced backyard. Inviting kitchen with island, high-end cabinets with backsplash, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and more. Kitchen opens to a large living room with dining area, hardwood throughout including bedrooms. Screened-in patio is spacious and the decking is expansive. Refrigerator, washer, dryer, microwave will convey. Additional features include storage, carport and convenient location to shopping, Pellissippi Parkway and downtown Oak Ridge and Oak Ridge City Schools. This is a must-see. Buyer to verify, square feet and all measurements. For more information, review the details below or contact Sahel Naimi at 865-966-1111.